So, ready to get some more of the top railing pieces together, and you can see the contour of the bottom pieces. So there's a slope here, and there's two little cuts in here, and the top is just a square, and you can see how they're put together. So I needed some more long tops because we had put in more posts, so the spans changed. Well, it turns out when I cut these, which is really the top here, it turns out that the width of this, after I was done cutting this, is exactly the distance to this first groove, which makes me think the original ones were cut the same way. They first cut these and then they started on this. So I cut the groove in here and then move the saw out and cut the groove in here and then move back and cut the difference. And then tilted the saw and cut in this slant here. And you can see this is the end product. So these have no paint on them. You can see the contours. And then I took it on the bench or the sander, the little tabletop sander. Well, it's a 4-foot by 6-inch sand belt, and rounded these off. Took a little just to make sure this was all rounded, and really the end result is very close to this. Now these don't have a sharp indent there, so it's not exactly the same, but it's very close. And plus these don't have any paint on, so you can see the definition better. So I thought that was pretty cool. So this way we'll have full spans on the bases and the tops, and that'll give us good support. So now we're going to start putting these small pieces together. We have short pieces here, and we'll start putting these together with some extra spindles. And eventually, if we run out of spindles, we're going to have to make these too. But until that point, we're going to put some together and get as many together as we can. We have another one out here. Well, we have two more. We're down to the last two. I don't think you can see this, maybe from this side. But it's really badly, yeah, I guess you can't really see that in the video. But it's really bad. This whole bottom piece needs to be changed. So, time to get back working on them.